Hey guys, if you have a Compustar alarm system, remote start system, and the alarm keeps going off for no reason, it's probably the glass break sensor. However, there is a way to tell what exactly is causing the alarm to go off. And the easiest way is to just use the drone mobile app. If you have one of those installed, it'll just show you in the activity history what happened and when. But even if you don't have the drone mobile app, there is a way to tell. I would definitely get the instructions for your alarm system. I'll try to leave a link in the description below. But basically, the little blue LED that flashes every so often, that'll basically tell you exactly what sensor was tripped. Door input sensor, shock stage 1, 2, tilt, ignition on, hood input, trunk input, and then there's 2 auxiliary inputs. But once you figured out what caused the false alarm, it's pretty easy to adjust if you have a DAS2 sensor. And I have this panel already off. It just unclips from the dashboard, and this is where I have the drone mobile, and this is the DAS2 sensor right here. And if you didn't install the system yourself, you're gonna have to find this. It could be anywhere, it just depends on where they put it. Under the dash is probably gonna be the most likely place. However, I can't tell you exactly where they installed it, but this is mine right here. But to adjust it, it's pretty easy. You're definitely gonna wanna get the instructions. I got the settings graph pulled up right here. And to put it into program mode is super simple. You just turn the ignition on and then hit the unlock button 2 times. 1, 2, and it lights up. And there's a little button right here underneath. You can go ahead and push that, and you just push it over again. And there's 5 different menus, and it'll just cycle through. And that corresponds to the 5 features right there. So it'll just cycle through all of them. And we want to go to number 3, which is the glass break sensor sensitivity. And you just hold it down once you get to the number you want. And you can see we're on number 2. And you can cycle through all the sensitivities. I keep having it go off on number 2. So the lowest is L. So once you get there, you just hold it for 2 seconds. All right, let's see if that saved it. We'll go back to 3. Yep, it's on low. So just hold that. And that's how you change it. So hopefully on low, it's not gonna go off randomly. What I think is happening is there's like a expanding and contracting event when the temperature rises or drops, and it makes like a kind of a crack noise, and it's setting off the glass break sensor. It's super common. My friend has the same system, and his goes off all the time for the glass break sensor. And once you're done, you can just turn it off. And it'll also automatically go out of programming mode after 5 minutes. But if the alarm system keeps going off for the glass break sensor, I'm just gonna set it to 0, which is off. And also if you're having issues with other things, you can explore all those options, or if it's not sensitive enough, you can raise it or lower it. It's just trial and error. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was useful, and I will see you next time. Peace out.